Good morning. Let's start the day with lots of good and positive energy. We're going to do a little EFT tapping to embrace calm, positivity, and love today. So just follow along after me, tap where I tap, and repeat what I say. I'm ready to take on the day. I choose to face it with calm and clarity. Today is a fresh start. I release any stress or worry. I release any tiredness or sluggishness. I invite positivity as I start my day. I am so grateful for this new day. I feel the energy of positivity rising within me. All right, we're going to take a break here. Squeeze your wrist, deep breath in. And I'd like you to just close your eyes for a while. And I want you to imagine a task that you have to get through today, or a meeting that you have to be in, or someone that you have to meet. And I just want you to visualize this going really well. Just picture this experience or interaction in a positive way. Feel those feelings of your day going really well. All right, beautiful. Let's start tapping again on the eyebrow point. I embrace today with open arms. I'm so excited for the day ahead. Even if I come across challenges, I trust in my ability to overcome them. I'm prepared for whatever may come. I have the strength to deal with any challenge. I'm confident. I'm ready to make today successful. Okay, squeeze your wrist once again and deep breath in. I'd like you to close your eyes again, just for a little bit. And I want you to imagine this confident version of you. How are you moving through the day? How are you speaking? What are you wearing? Just visualize all positive interactions that you could possibly experience today. Okay, amazing. Last round here, back to the eyebrow points. I choose to be mindful in my interactions today. I choose to be mindful of my thoughts and actions. I'm opening myself up to new opportunities. I choose to be grateful for my experiences today. And with gratitude, I choose to see the beauty in the little things. This sense of gratitude gives me so much peace. And I will carry this feeling throughout my day. Squeeze your wrist right here, deep breath in. Amazing. That was a simple but powerful morning tapping routine. Feel free to do that every morning to just set a positive tone for your day. And I hope that you have an absolutely amazing day ahead. Let me know how you feel before and after the tapping in the comments below. I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and follow for more.